What is up, guys? It's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new method that you can go and use and make some money online as soon as today using 100% free traffic and without any investment. So this is a completely working method and I'm also using this method as well. I'm going to follow this video step by step to the end and take action on this method right here. You're going to start making some money like this very fast on Clickbank using 100% free traffic. So this is a working method. Be sure to pay very close attention right here. So this is a new strategy and it's 100% using free traffic. So what you're going to do with this method to make money is that the first step is you're going to go to Clickbank. You're going to go and sign up for a free account on clickbank.com. So when you sign up for a free account on clickbank.com, you're going to be able to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. You're going to go choose very high converting products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. So it's very easy for you to go and do this. So go and choose a high converting product on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace. And the next step is you're going to send targeted free traffic back to the affiliate offer to start making some sales. So this is a method you can go and follow right today after this video. So be sure to watch step by step to the end so you're not going to miss any of the steps. And you're going to take action by the end of this video and implement this. You can start making some money as soon as today using this method I'm going to show you guys right here. So be sure to pay very close attention to this method right today. So that's it, guys. So if you're new to the channel, guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So I'm going to get notified time that I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos every day that can help you guys start making some extra money online and on Clickbank. Also, I'm giving away a mystery box. So this is a secret method that can help you start making some extra money very fast online. I can get this mystery box for completely free and I can use it and make money very fast online. And you want to win this mystery box, guys, all you're going to do is that you're going to go on, subscribe and enable notifications. You're also going to leave a like and share this video. You're also going to leave a comment on this video as well. You're going to have a chance to get this for completely free. So what you're going to do is that we're going to go and pick a luck winner from the last video that's going to get this mystery box. So we're going to go to the last video. We're going to go and copy the URL. I'm going to go to random YouTube commenter. We're going to pick a luck winner from here. So we're going to input the URL and click on get YouTube comments. And that's all. We're going to go and click on start. And for the winner, guys, all you're going to do is you're going to go and send me a message on Instagram and I'm going to send you this method for completely free. So I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description. You can go and contact me on Instagram. So that's, guys, also want to learn the step-by-step method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank. Be sure to click the first link in the description. I'm going to show you guys the exact method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank that many other students are already using, and many students are already getting results using this exact method that I'll share with you guys inside this training. I ask free traffic trading, so you can go and get started with the free traffic trading. You can take the money and reinvest back on paid traffic trading, and you can see that already done for your campaigns. I can just go on, copy and paste and start running and start getting some extra money very fast on Clickbank. If you're going to take the training, be sure to take action on the training and you're going to get results as well. So let's get into the video, guys. Let me show you guys this method you can go and use and make money as soon as today using 100% free traffic. So be sure to watch to the end and take action on this method and you can start making some money fast with what I'm going to show you guys right today. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do to start making some sales very fast as soon as today from Clickbank. So be sure to pay very close attention, watch step by step to the end. You're going to take action by the end of this video. Implement it, you can start making some sales very fast because a lot of people are using this method right now and are getting a lot of results. So be sure to pay very close attention right here. So the first step, you're going to go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace and I'm going to show you guys some specific products that can go and promote with this method and make a lot more money very fast. So once you go to the Clickbank affiliate marketplace, what you're going to do is that you can see a lot of products right here. I'm going to show you guys some products that can go and promote and make the highest amount of money using this strategy right here. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go and choose any of these products, but I'm going to show you guys some categories. So you're going to scroll right down. I'm going to go and promote products, for example, in self-help and spirituality. So the ones that convert very well with this strategy is products in spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs. So we click on spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs. You're going to find a lot of different products in this category right here. So I'm going to do for me is I can go and sort by gravity. I'm going to see the top selling products in this particular category right here. So I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys why you're going to promote these products because it converts very well with this method. I'm going to show you guys right here. So you can promote, for example, you can see this one, manifestation magic. You can see it's converting very well, has a very high gravity of up to 176, which means that a lot of people are still buying this product, and this product has been selling on Clickbank for a very long time. So you can also go and promote, for example, 15-minute manifestation. You can see you're going to get up to for $6 per sale. Alright here. So what I can do is I can go and promote any product in this category right here with this method, and I can make a lot of sales. So to pay very close attention right here. So the first step is we're going to go and choose one product from here, and I'm going to use it as an example. So you can go and follow and implement this method as well and start making some money very fast. So what we're going to do from here is we're going to go and choose one product. So let's see this one. You can go and, for example, manifestation magic. So this one's pay a lot more higher commission than this one, numerology. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and choose this one, for example, 15-minute manifestation. As you can see, it also has a high gravity of up to 84, which means that this product is still converting very well. I can go and make a lot of money from promoting this product right here. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and promote this product for this example, and this product also has recurring revenue, which means that I can also be making recurring revenue every month from one customer that you send and a person purchases this product right here. So you can see also has upsells. You can see this product has upsells, which means that I can also make a lot more money in the upsells. So always make sure that the product you're promoting has upsells, because you can make a lot more money in the upsells. So what we're going to do from here is that let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do from here. So once you choose a product, you're going to go and promote, for example, 15-minute manifestation. So this is a law of attraction type of product. So what you're going to do is next is you're going to go to the website. It's called Linktree. So the website is called Linktree. So if you type this on Google, you type, for example, Linktree, you're going to go to the website. It's linktr.ee. That's the URL of this website. So what this website is going to do is that it's going to enable you to go and use your affiliate links and post on other websites around the internet without getting blocked. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to this website Linktree, and you're going to go and sign up for a free account. What you're going to do is that you're just going to go and click on sign up for free, and you're going to be able to sign up for a free account on Linktree. So you're going to use it like a small landing page to link people back to your affiliate offer. So when you sign up for a Linktree, what you're going to do is you're going to have a page like this. You can go and add your affiliate links inside Linktree. So once you sign up for a free account, what you're going to do for me is that you're going to have this page. You can go and add different links inside Linktree. What you're going to do for me is that you're just going to go and click on add link, add new link. What you're going to do is that you're going to go and copy your affiliate link from Clickbank, and you're going to go and input it right here. So let's go back to Clickbank affiliate marketplace. Let's click on promote. We're going to go and get our affiliate link right here, and we're going to go and input it on Linktree. So let's input affiliate ID and tracking ID. We can do, for example, free traffic. So for example, free traffic. For example, and just click on generate hub links. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go back to Linktree. I'm going to input the link right here. So I'm going to do next, I'm going to go and write a title. So I'm going to write, for example, 15-minute manifestation. And that's it, guys. So what you're going to do for me is that you're going to copy this link right here. So once you create a Linktree account, what you're going to do is that they're going to give you a link right here. So we can see this link right here. See the link that you're going to go and use and promote this product, and you can go and promote it anywhere on the internet, and it's not going to get blocked. So you're not going to be directly linking to your affiliate offer, because you go and paste your affiliate link many places on the internet is going to get blocked. So once you input your URL right here, you're going to see right here it's turned green. So I can do is I can go and copy this link right here, and you're going to go and share this link. So let me copy this link. Let me open a new tab and let me paste this right here. You're going to see how it's going to lead us to this link right here. So you can see it's going to take us to this link right here. And if anybody click from here, they're going to go back to our affiliate offer. So if I click on this, it's going to take me back to the affiliate offer right here. So it's going to take people back to our affiliate link, and if people buy from here, we're going to make commission. So Linktree is going to help you so your links cannot get blocked on different sites on the internet. So once you have your Linktree link, this link right here, what you're going to do is that I'm going to show you guys exactly where you're going to go and use the free traffic method you're going to go and use and promote your affiliate offer and start making some sales very fast. So from here, the next step is you're going to go to Facebook. So you're going to go to Facebook, and what you're going to do for me is that we're going to promote our affiliate offer on Facebook. And this is a method many people are using right now, and they're getting a lot of sales. I'm also using this method, so I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to do to start making some money very fast from here. So once you go to Facebook, what you're going to do is you're going to go and search, click on search, and you're going to type, for example, law of attraction. So let's type, for example, law of attraction and click on search. What we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and click on groups. So we want to go and see groups in law of attraction that are on Facebook, and what we're going to do is that we're going to go and join some of these groups. So we're going to go and click on groups, and we're going to go and search for only law of attraction groups. So let's click on search. So let's search groups, law of attraction. Let's click on search. And that's good. I'm just going to click on see all, and it's going to show us a lot of groups, and many of these groups have a lot of members. So I see this group, for example, law of attraction, mind power. You can see us up to 54,000 members right here. So you can see 6,000 members, then 6,000 members, 177,000 members. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy I'm going to use and make a lot of money from these groups. Many people are using this and I'm using this method as well. I can make a lot of money from here. So what I'm going to do is I recommend that you join, for example, up to 10 different groups, and you're going to be posting in these 10 different groups so you can get a lot more traffic and can make a lot more money from this method I'm going to show you right here. So what I'm going to do is that once you join one of these groups, so let me just open one of these. What you're going to do is you're going to be creating simple posts right here, and you're going to be linking people back to your affiliate offer. I'm going to show you guys the exact strategy you're going to follow, and you're going to follow this. You can start making some money very fast. What I'm going to show you right here. So let me open one of these groups. So let me open this one. So this is a group right here, and I've already joined this group right here. So what you're going to do is that once you're approved on these groups, what you're going to do is that you're going to be making simple posts right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to do. So you're going to do is you're going to posting, for example, law of attraction type of images right here. So you can see this one, this is a law of attraction type of post right here. I'm going to show you guys where to get these images and post them right here, and exactly what you're going to do to get a lot of traffic back to your affiliate offer and make a lot of sales. So what you're going to be doing is that since this pro you're promoting is about the law of attraction, you're going to do is you're going to use law of attraction groups, and you can get a lot of traffic and make a lot of money from this exact method right here. So what you're going to do from here is that you're going to go to Instagram. So most of these posts are found on Instagram. So you're going to do is that you're going to go to Instagram and you're going to type, for example, law of attraction. So let's type law of attraction. You type, for example, law of attraction, you're going to find a lot of different accounts right here. Before you type, you can see a lot of different accounts right here. So let's just open one of these. What you're going to do is you're going to enable you to find a lot of this type of posts right here that you can go and use and promote your affiliate offer right here with this method I'm going to show you right here. So let's open this one. So this account is called Law of Attraction Live. I can see they're posting a lot of contents right here. So you have up to 2.2 million followers right here. So you're going to do is you're going to look for posts like this. So you can see this post right here. What you're going to do is you're going to look for posts that are going to ask this question right here. Type yes if you are ready. So you're going to look for posts that is going to ask people to engage with the content. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and download this type of post right here. Not this type of one, you're going to download this type of post right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go and download this post, and you're going to go and post it on that Facebook group. I'm going to show you guys exactly what you're going to do from here. So what you're going to do is that we're just going to copy the URL. So you just copy the URL of this page. So the URL of this page right here, Law of Attraction Live. You're just going to copy this, and you're going to go to this website. It's called GramSave. It's called gramsave.com. So type GramSave on Google, you're going to find this website right here, gramsave.com. And what it's going to do is it's going to enable you to able to go and download images from Instagram very easily, and you can go and upload it back. Following the strategy I'm going to be showing you guys, and you can start getting some sales. So I'm going to input the URL right here. So the URL of the Instagram page, we're going to go and click on download. And it's going to show us all the pictures on that Instagram page. You can go and download, and we're going to go and download some. We're going to go and use it back on Facebook, and we're going to be promoting our affiliate offer from here. So let's download the images from here. So let's look for one. So let's see this one. So you can see this image right here is going to ask people right here to engage with the post. So this is very important. You can see right here, type yes if you are ready. So we need to input this type of post so that a lot of people can engage with our content on Facebook. So we're going to do is we're going to go and download this type of images from here. So let's download this one. So let's click on download. And that's it, guys. The image is very easy to go and download using this free tool right here. I can go and download multiple images from here. I can go and post it on those Instagram. I can go and post it on those Facebook pages. So what you're going to do from here is that you're going to go to this group. So once you have joined these groups, what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and upload the image from here. So let's just post the image from here. So let's click on photo and let's upload the image. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to write a simple post, and you're not going to post your affiliate link right here. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what to do from here. So what I'm going to do from here is that you're going to type, for example, type yes if you are ready. That's a call to action on the image. So let's type yes if you are ready. If you are ready. So that's all you're going to do, guys. And you can also add, for example, emojis right here. So let's add emoji right here. So I'm just going to select this one for this example, or you can just leave it like this. So what you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go and post this image right here like this. So you're just going to type this. You're not going to give any call to action or link back to your affiliate offer from here. So what you're going to do is that you're going to post this post like this. You're not going to give any call to action. So what you're going to do is that once you post this image right here on this group, and it has, for example, 30 likes on this post, which means that, and a lot of comments, which means that a lot of people are engaging with this content right here. What you're going to do for me is that you're just going to go and edit this post right here. What you're going to do is that you're going to go and input a link back to your affiliate offer. So you're going to make sure that the post get a lot of engagement before you're going to input the link back to your affiliate offer from here. So once your post have, for example, 20 comments or 30 likes, what you're going to do from here is that you're going to go and edit this post right here. You're going to go and add a link back to your affiliate offer. So you're going to do is you're going to go and write, for example, learn how to manifest in just 15 minutes per day. So this is why you're going to go and edit your post and write, for example, and that's it, guys. What you're going to do from here is that you're just going to go to Linktree and you're going to copy that link. You're going to copy this link right here and you're going to go and input it on your Facebook post. And this link is not going to get blocked because you're not directly linking from Facebook to your affiliate offer. So these links are not going to get blocked. So you're going to do this, you're going to go and click on copy. I can go and shorten this link and bit.ly. So you can go to bit.ly and I can go and shorten this link. I can go and paste it in your post. So click on shorten. I'm going to go and copy this. Let's copy this. What you're going to do is you're going to go and input this now inside your post on Facebook. So you're going to input it right here as your call to action. So many people are going to see your post and they're also going to see this link right here. And if you click this link, you're going to take them back to your affiliate offer and you're not going to get blocked from Facebook if you're going to using this strategy as I'm showing you guys right here. So if you're using any link on Facebook, always make sure that you're using a landing page or a simple tool like Linktree, even though your affiliate links are going to get blocked from Facebook. So that's all you're going to do and you can get a lot of traffic and can make a lot of sales. Many people are using this method right now and they're making a lot of money from it. I can go and take advantage of this method right now. So let me show you guys an example of people are using this method right here. So this is one of the groups. So this one is Law of Attraction, Mind Power. So if I scroll right down here, you're going to see people are using this exact method right here. So you can see right here many are posting on this particular group. I can see right here. So this is someone that is already posting right here. You can see person is posting and this is a link back to an affiliate offer. So let's click on this and it's going to take us to an affiliate offer, and if you buy the products, the person is going to make a commission from here. So you can see right here, it's going to take us to this product on Clickbank right now. So someone is promoting, many people are using this method right now and they're getting a lot of results because the method is working right now. So if you scroll right down, you can see right here. So you can see right here, someone is promoting, for example, their 15-minute manifestation right here already. So let's click on this link. It's going to take us back to the affiliate offer right here. So you can see, guys, many people are using this method, and what you're going to do is you're just going to take advantage of this method as well. So you can see many people are just posting this type of post. I also want to make sure that this post is asking people to engage with the post. You can see right here, type yes to receive. So you can see has up to 73 comments right now. I can see has been posted only 4 hours ago. So let's make sure that the image has a call to action right here that's going to ask people to go and engage with the post. So what you're going to do for me is that you're just going to go and take advantage of this method right now. I can go and make a lot of money right now. Many people are using this and they're getting a lot of free traffic from these Facebook groups and they're making money. And if you're going to take action, you're also going to start making some money. So what you're going to do for me is that you're just going to go and join a lot of different Law of Attraction type of groups, and you're going to be posting this every day on those groups, and you're going to be getting a lot of free traffic back to your affiliate offer. I can start making a lot of sales because many people are interested in these groups. Many people are in these groups are already interested in the Law of Attraction. If you're going to promote this product, you're going to make a lot of sales. So that's why many people are promoting this on this type of groups, and they're getting a lot of traffic and they're also getting a lot of sales from using this method right here. So that's it, guys. So what you're going to do is you're just going to go and take action on this method, and you're going to take action. You're going to start making some money very fast online with this method that I'm showing you guys right here, and no investment is needed. So you don't have any excuse not to go on take action and make money with this method right here. So that's it, guys. If you found value in this video, guys, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel so I continue to make these videos that can help you guys start making some extra money like this very fast online. And that's it, guys. So take action on this method, and I'll see you guys in the next video.